In 2013, we at Imperial Society of Innovative Engineers, India's biggest e-mobility platform, came up with a solar vehicle challenge, providing platform to numerous passionate and innovative minds across the nation. The very first season saw a really good response where 50 plus multidisciplinary teams from 9 plus states participated. In this, they showcased their skills and abilities to design and manufacture a solar vehicle, project management, and team coordination. In the last 8 years, we have had participation from 24 states in India and also from neighboring country of Bangladesh. 500 plus teams have been a part of this revolutionary event, bringing various innovations in order to harness the solar energy and to increase the performance of the solar vehicle. Inspired by their participation and enthusiasm of students' team, the rules and regulations are updated year on year to push them to build a more efficient vehicle. We have included several dynamic and static rounds like rain test, hill climb test, solar test, etc. to simulate the real-world problems on track. Despite of what we put in front of them, the team have always surpassed our expectations and taken on the challenge. Seeing their progress on track, we have decided to notch it up, to take this vehicle out of the track and to the real world, subjecting them to more practical scenarios. Hence ESVC 3000. This would be a rally challenge for these solar vehicles, whereas we have aimed to do a trip of 3000 km from Chandigarh to Bengaluru by 2026. Currently in this season, teams will be covering up to Pune in time period of 10 days. The route has been marked with 10 overnight stay points and 55 checkpoints. The teams will cover a distance of about 180 to 250 km in a day, traveling between the overnight stay points. These overnight stay points will be having 5 checkpoints positioned in between at the difference of 50 km each. The teams will be accompanied by 2 cars, one in the front and one at the rear. These vehicles will be having a mandatory established radio communication between them to maintain proper synchronization and for the driver to be able to update the teams on the situation. Escort vehicle will be consist of safety equipments and kits. It will act as an emergency rescue vehicle in case of any accident. This vehicle also acts as navigator for the team, and one person from organizing team will be present in the vehicle as observer. Team vehicle will consist of team members trailing the car and basic equipment which can be used to repair the car in case of emergency or breakdown. Checkpoints will be there for the team to take a maximum of 30 minutes break and get their vehicle inspection done. These checkpoints will be positioned at places with high inflow of the public to get maximum reach. It can be a popular restaurant or an institute. Billboards will be placed before and after the checkpoint for direction. At the checkpoint, a gate arc will be there to direct the vehicle and public towards the event venue. The local leaders will be invited to encourage the teams and help create awareness and educate the people. Apart from technical inspection, this area will also consist of activity zones for promotions by our sponsor and create awareness among the population present. Overnight stay point will be the point where the team will have to reach at the end of the day. These points will be near to highway but within some major cities and towns on the way. These points will have a dedicated parking area for all the teams and vehicles to park together, creating a beautiful spectacle. Each overnight point will have some kind of entertainment activity arranged where local minister, magistrate, gazetted officials, delegate from industry, our sponsor and media will be invited to attend along with the people from city and nearby regions. This can really help spread the awareness about electric vehicle and renewable energy. The venue will also have various points of attraction for the locals in order to gain their attention. The teams will be provided access to hot pit where they can perform repairs on the vehicle on the permission of technical inspector and with the compliance of the rule book. The team will also have opportunity to charge their battery packs. They will be provided with an option of charging station at the venue. The overnight stay point will also act as the starting point for the next day trip. Early morning the vehicles will be lined up after a technical inspection to check the compliance of changes done. The flag of event will also be conducted in presence of minister or local leaders and our sponsor, followed by press conference for the same. At the end of 10th day, the team will have reached the destination of ARAI, Chakan. In this duration, this rally will cross 10 plus cities, 60 plus towns and 500 plus villages, creating impact on over 7 crore people, spreading the message. The outcome of this rally will be promote and educate general public for e-mobility, promote renewable energy, real-time innovations, improving solar technology, minimizing skill gap, promote entrepreneurship, skilled workforce for auto industries. Join us in this country rally and create a difference.